Hello everyone.
Ngoba ngisho nje ngizozongekudala abaholi impela abakhona bebele phezulu bangase bekhale phansi ngoba abayenzi lento esiyefunayo. Sifuna abantu base South Africa nina ukusebenzela nina hayi ukusebenzela thina. Yebo baba. Khuluma baba. Sizwana. Yebo baba. Ingakho nje from time to time ilokhu senza ama announcement ukuthi lo sisamkhiphile senza ukuthi kwabanye sizobachaza ezizweni ukuthi sebenzeni ukuthi benze kanjani. Kukhona into lapha ukukhulunywa ngayo kuthiwa yini iphala what structure parallel structure parallel structure khona into esidumile kuthiwa khona ama-parallel structures. Abantu bakhona kuthiwa abanye sebephatha nje ibhanga badlala ngezulu ngezulu lezandla nangu sosolazi kahle ngezulu lezandla. Ngifuna nazi kahle asiyona le nhlobo ebikhona yama-political parties. Senye inhlobo sifuna ukuhamba ngale ndlela esifuna ukuhamba ngayo. Abantu abaney'nkani iqhwaga efuna ukuthatha ikhundla ngenkani sorry awunange ngifundisa asikisi ngiyafunda ngifuna nje ukuba nokwazi lokho ukuthi sathi istructure ezikhona okwamanje interim structures are interim. They can't be anything else. They are not permanent. They are interim. Umunikezwe leso sikhundla bonisa ukusebenza kwakho kahle ukuze sibone ukuthi ungaphatha lo naku-permanent. Uma umosha kwa-interim kubeke phi ke mase ku-permanent usuthi ngakhethwa mina. Sizwana.
The Bonginkosi Party leader Jacob Zuma has finally broke his silence about the MK youth leader that was removed from the party. Bonginkosi Khanyile was recently removed from his position as the interim deputy president of the Bonginkosi Youth League. According to social media platforms, he was removed because he was allegedly giving a bad name to the party about a week ago. Apparently, he went to Zimbabwe to forge an alliance with Zimbabweans. Someone also tweeted, "They already removed the violent and destructive Bonginkosi Khanyile from all the MK party senior leadership WhatsApp groups. Somehow I am still in them. From January till last week, I tweeted 14 times exposing the shenanigans of Bonginkosi, which ultimately resulted in sacking. Will continue exposing MK party for who they are, a bunch of mafia criminals who want to get into government to loot, plunder and steal." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.